Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. And in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix USB non-trucking problem on your device. Follow all the steps carefully to restore proper USB connections. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Now let's begin.